Take a deep breath, don't cry on me.
I got the hanky.
Danielle has planned her wedding even before she found the groom. I suppose that's what girls do. You always hope your children find someone special to spend their life with. Oh, I'm getting choked up. Oh, wow.
That never happens.
From when they were very little. I believe Alex is the person for Danielle. I am proud to be able to call him my son-in-law and welcome him to be part of our family.
I promise to make you laugh and wipe your tears when you cry. I promise to hug you and hold you through the best and toughest times. I also promise to always walk down the Lego aisle with you when we're in a store together, encourage you to buy whatever Lego sets you want to collect, and watch Star Wars movies and shows with you. I can't wait to celebrate our love together today. I love you, and I can't wait to see you at the end of the aisle.
Danielle, we've laughed a lot, cried a lot, and most importantly, fell in love with each other. You make me feel so loved and cared for. You're my person, my best friend, and my everything. Today is the day we've been counting down for the last 2 years, and we're finally here. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. We have many more memories to make. I love you.
Danielle,
with this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
Alex, with this ring
Alex, with this ring
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
Alex, this is the best part of this whole daggum thing for you. You can finally kiss this beautiful bride.